In this video, I will be showing you how to create a mind map in Napkin AI. Let's get started. First, I'll select the option to add text by describing my idea. In the description box, I'm typing out the 5 critical stages of the product development lifecycle, starting with ideation and ending with optimization. Once I'm done, I'll click Next. The AI then begins writing a detailed, structured overview of the entire process, organizing the stages into a clear, easy-to-read format with distinct headings. I'll scroll down through the document to find the ideation section. By hovering here, a blue visual icon appears on the left side of the text. I'll click this icon to see the AI's suggestions for visual elements. From the Categories menu, I'll select Mind Map to see the available formats. After clicking the generated visual icon, I can choose the style I want, and after choosing, I can also choose the specific designs of that style. I'll pick the horizontal mind map that looks best for my project. Finally, I can start editing the visual the way I want, adjusting the placement of the nodes and the overall layout to make it perfect. And there you have it. That's the complete process of creating a mind map in Napkin AI.